Welcome back to our channel, Easy Solutions. Today, we have something incredibly exciting for cooking enthusiasts. We've researched, tested, and released the best microwave ovens available in 2023. And we've narrowed it down. Our top 3 picks that promise to revolutionize your kitchen experience. Without further ado, let's dive into the best microwave ovens of 2023. Apply. Our first pick is the Toshiba EM131A5C. This microwave oven seamlessly combines style and functionality. With its sleek stainless steel design, it easily complements any kitchen decor. But that's just the look. It's not about looks. The Toshiba EM131A5C boasts a speedy power of 1100 and efficient cooking. Its spacious 1.2 cubic foot interior can easily accommodate large dishes, making it perfect for family meals. But what sets this microwave apart is its smart sensor technology. It automatically adjusts the cooking time and power level based on the moisture level of the food, ensuring that your food is perfectly cooked every time. The Toshiba EM131A5C makes the process a breeze. Now, let's move on to our second pick, the Toshiba EM925A5A. This compact microwave oven is perfect for those with limited kitchen space. Don't let its size fool you. It's still 900 watts. Packs a punch with power. Its 0.9 cubic foot capacity is ideal for small homes, dorm rooms, or offices. The Toshiba EM925A5A offers a variety of pre-programmed settings, making it easy to cook or defrost popular dishes with just the touch of a button. Its digital control panel is intuitive and user-friendly, making cooking easy. A hassle-free experience is ensured. If you are looking for a reliable, compact microwave oven, this is a great choice. Last but certainly not least, we have the Panasonic NNSN67HST. This microwave oven is a true powerhouse, with 1200 watts of cooking power. From reheating to baking and grilling, food designed to handle many cooking tasks. The Panasonic NNSN67HST's advanced inverter technology delivers consistent, even cooking results every time. Also, this microwave oven comes with a built-in Genius sensor that automatically adjusts power and cooking time based on the type and quantity of food. Whether you're cooking vegetables, meat or dessert, you can trust the Panasonic NNSN67HST to deliver outstanding results. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more interesting kitchen appliance reviews. Next time. Until, happy cooking!